This video will demonstrate on how to set up the KVM switch. The KVM switch is used to control multiple computers at one console. The KVM setup consists of a KVM switch, 2 KVM cables, a monitor with VGA cable, a USB keyboard, a USB mouse, and your pause and back office computers. Locate the backside of your KVM switch. Plug in the monitor, USB keyboard, and USB mouse into the console section. Remember to make sure the monitor cable thumb screws are tightened. Plug in one end of each KVM cable into the computers. Make sure the USB cable is in and the VGA thumb screws are tightened. Plug in the other end of each KVM cable into the switch. Make sure to keep each set of cables plugged into appropriate pairs and are tightened. For example, the pause computer plugged into PC1 and USB1, and back office computer set of cables is plugged into PC2 and USB2. This light indicates the KVM switch has power. Green lights in the numbered sections indicate connectivity. The red light indicates the active port is being displayed on a monitor. In this example, that would mean the computer plugged into section number 1. The KVM switch allows you to switch between pause and back office computers using only one set of keyboard, mouse, and monitor. To ensure your KVM switch is working, make sure that the pause and back office computers and monitor are powered on. Make sure the USB and VGA cables are plugged into both computers and KVM switch, and that the KVM port is switched to an active port. If all this is checked and there is still an issue, please call pause.